right, welcome guys. In this particular one, I just want to quickly show you some quick things that is very important. Okay. Now, once you have done creating these resources, how do you shut down? Okay, how do you shut down? Say you have completed all this exercise, you have your data, and you want to clean up, especially when you are using your dev environment or you are just practicing, right? Because you want to make sure that you don't unnecessarily incur expenses unnecessarily, right? So it's important to quickly clean up. So I'm going to show you that quickly, okay? So basically, you can just delete your workspace once you're done. So basically, delete this guy. See if it will allow me to delete. Beautiful. So first of all, delete your workspace, and also second of all, just try to all the buckets that you are not using, just delete them. Okay, first of all, you need to empty them. Okay, so just do permanently delete. All right, so I'm just showing you, so just follow me closely and follow accordingly. Every time you're done, make sure you clean up, okay? Otherwise you're gonna get expenses. Okay, this is my practice platform, so it's not a production one. I have a different one for production, so I can just delete. That's fine. So okay, so there are some I don't want to delete. I'll quickly take a look. I want to delete this bucket. Please guys, this is very important. I don't want you guys to incur expenses unnecessarily. Okay, make sure you clean up your platform, and then you can always practice and try to launch your platform again. That way you don't have a lot of charges to take care of. Okay, all right, just watch me closely. Now I'm just deleting those buckets I don't really need. So this one as well I don't need, so I'm just basically going to delete that. All right, okay, so we are deleting all of these guys, and the other ones I want to keep. So I'm just gonna leave those ones, just copy this. All right, and then just delete. All right, beautiful. Now that you have done that, the next thing you want to do is that you want to come back to CloudFormation. Okay, CloudFormation, and then we're just going to delete. So this one we used to provision Redshift, so we're just gonna delete this stack. Usually it would automatically delete all the associated resources that it created. So then also this is what we use to provision Databricks workspace, so we're gonna delete that as well. All right, so let's look at it. Delete in progress, and then we'll look at the event. Guys, this is very important. Okay, all right, so just to make sure that all your resources are deleted that you are not using, especially if it's just for your practice purposes. All right, so but if it's like within your company, obviously you don't want to delete anything. All right, so just go ahead and go and clean up if it's yours. But if it's company, definitely you don't want to do anything. Okay, so it's just a copy zip, so I'm just gonna force it. All right, force delete, so it's gonna force and delete it. So let's see if the Redshift should be fine to clean up everything that was created with Redshift services. So let's quickly get that done. Okay, so do we have an error here as well? So we still see for this one the delete is complete. Let's review. Okay, you can see it's deleted. This is still in progress. We're just gonna wait for it to completely delete. Okay. Alright. So let's wait and see. Okay. So we're just gonna wait for it to delete. This takes some time. However, there are a few things we still need to clean up. Okay. So just follow me closely. Next time we may have to use the code, but for now I just want you guys to follow using the user interface. So in this case you can just delete it, okay, because this is the virtual machine that was using for your compute, and in this case we are done with the practice, so we're just gonna delete. All right, so it's shutting down. And then there are a few things to check out for. You check for elastic IPs. Sometimes it won't allow you to release it. Okay, so we'll leave that for now. We go back to VPC. Yeah, we go to VPC, and then you make sure that you clean your VPC as well. So this one we will delete. It might not allow us, so it's telling us we need to clean up the NAT gateways. So we will come to the NAT gateways, and then we'll delete this guy. Okay. Alright, so you have to delete that. Okay, that is deleting. We come here as well. So we can just once that is deleted, we should be able to delete this guy. Okay, still. Oh, the network interface. So we'll click on network interface. We'll see what's there, and then we just delete that as well. Oh, okay, still waiting for the NAT gateway to get. Okay, so there's some interference. So that's how you're gonna start checking, just to make sure that you clean up everything. All right, and let's go back here, and then we go back to CloudFormation. I just want to see that the stack is still completed. I think it's still in progress. That's why. Okay, we're just gonna wait and see. It's still cleaning up the cluster, the Redshift cluster. So we're just gonna wait for it. So while we are doing that, let's see other things we can clean up. Let's refresh. Okay, so we'll look at our instances. This is shutting down. It's gonna be deleted. All right, and this is the elastic IP, right? So at some point we should be able to release this guy. Now it's allowing us to release it. Okay, guys, you have to do this. You have to clean up. Okay, you have to clean up, just so that it's very key. Okay, all right, so let's keep going. So this is shutting down. We go back to VPC. All right. And then when we get to VPC, okay, we still need to delete this guy. Okay, now it's allowing us to delete it. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so now that is deleted. We're just gonna double check. That should also delete all of these guys. Okay, table, we just make sure that all the services that is associated to our VPC, they are all deleted. Okay, oh, this is deleted as well, so that's great. All of these are deleted. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, so we're just gonna come back again here. Okay, beautiful. The stack is deleted as well. Okay, the VPC is deleted. All right, let's check the VPC again. Guys, that's it. Everything seems to be deleted. You always have to clean up, okay? Very key, right? So also you can double check, right, to see where you are. Let's see. Sometimes it will tell you the applications you're using. Okay, now it's showing us nothing. So our console seems to be fine. All right, this is just a quick tips just to make sure that you guys are covered. All right. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.